Namaskar. Welcome to the academic arena Satya Skills. In this video, we are going to learn about financial system. Usually, students find it difficult to understand financial system because of too many technical terms. Let us try to understand these terms in a simple way in this video. Meaning of finance and system. What is finance? Finance means a mechanism, a facility of transferring of funds from those who hold surplus budgets to those who need funds. To make it very clear, an example, individuals income earners will have surplus funds, whereas business units are always in need of funds. The mechanism of connecting these two is called finance. Thus, finance is nothing but connecting the surplus and deficit sectors. Coming to the system. System means a network of several subunits work together with mutual dependence towards a single goal. Thus, financial system is a network that facilitates funds from surplus sector to deficit sector. Financial system of a country is the core sector because it is the most significant sector that contributes directly to the progress of economy and also to the nation. It reflects the state of economic progress and also the potentials of the nation's development. Financial system is a network of institutions and individuals who deal in financial claims. The members deal through financial instruments in financial markets. Thus, the financial system consists of financial institutions such as banks, financial markets such as money market, capital market, and foreign exchange market. Financial instruments are bills, promissory notes, shares, bonds, etc. Now let us look into surplus and deficit sectors. Financial system of a country is very wide in its scope because of the inclusion of surplus and deficit sectors. Thus, the financial system operates to facilitate transfer of funds from surplus sector to deficit sector. Thus, the financial system is built on two basic pillars: surplus sector and deficit sector. Surplus sector. Surplus sector consists of those units whose consumption is less than income that creates a chance to save and invest. The surplus budget of this sector is the base to build the financial system. The savings sections of the surplus sector include primarily the household units, business units, and the government. Of all the units, the household sector is the significant supplier of funds to the financial markets through their savings. But in India, the contribution of household sector is insignificant. Here in this context, household sector means nothing but the individual income earners, that is individual persons. It is so because large percentage of population does not come under the fold of saving community in India due to low income, underemployment, less opportunities to increase income levels, small amounts of savings, too much dependence on agriculture, etc. Unorganized saving habits and black money are also responsible for less active surplus sector in India. Deficit sector. Deficit sector consists of those units whose income is less than investments. Consequently, their budgets are left with deficit balances. Example, business enterprises, industries, agriculture, etc. The total financial system designs its activities and mechanism on the basis of nature of units in the deficit sector. According to their needs, the entire system is designed. When the surplus sector and deficit sector are efficiently linked, economic progress will be fast. Otherwise, what happens? The funds will be idle with surplus sector, and the deficit sector, that is the business industry, will be handicapped with lack of funds. Thus, every nation aims at the development of efficient financial system to achieve economic progress. The developed financial system of a country can affect the global financial system. Example, USA, UK financial systems. On the basis of location, the nature of its dealings and dealers, financial system can be of different classes. They are broadly the global financial system, regional financial system, and local financial system. All the components of financial markets are inseparable and they are interdependent and mutually exclusive. Thus, the financial market in a town is connected to the national and global networks. Example, from a small town in Andhra, one can send money instantly to any part of the world. It is because the financial system works in a larger network. That's all for today's class. Now, a brief test or mini model test, how the finance questions you will get in competitive exams. First question, economic progress is very strongly influenced by dash sector in any country. A. Agriculture, B. Retail trade, C. Services, D. Financial sector. Correct answer D. Financial sector. Second question, the financial system of a country consists of financial A. Markets, B. Institutions, C. Instruments, D. All these. Correct answer D. All these. Dash is a part of Indian financial system. Stock exchanges, B. SBI, C. UTI, D. All these. Correct answer D. All these. Surplus sector includes household sector, agriculture sector, trade and industry, D. All these. Correct answer A. Household sector. Fifth question, dash is a facility that bridges the gap between income and expenditure through transfer of instruments. A. Money, B. Credit, C. Finance, D. All these. Correct answer C. Finance. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching the video. All the best. God bless you all.